everyone, welcome to this quick 5-minute guide on English grammar basics. So, whether you're a student, beginner, or just brushing up, this video will give you a solid foundation. So, my name is Maya, and I'm here in Calgary, Canada right now. And the weather here is honestly absolutely amazing. But I feel like that's it for now, so let's just get started. So number 1 is parts of speeches. Grammar starts with the 8 parts of speech, like the building blocks of English sentences, like nouns, which are names of people, places, or things like dog, city, or Emma. And then we have pronouns, which is replacing nouns. So that would be he, she, it, and they. And verbs would be action or state words like run, is, and eats. Adjectives would be describing nouns like big, happy, and red. And then adverbs, which are describing verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs like quickly or very. Then we have prepositions, which are just showing relationships in sentence. So that would be like in, on, at, and under. And then we have conjunctions, which is just connecting words or clauses like and, but, and or. Then last but not least, we have interjections. Interjections are just really short exclamations on some awesome words like wow or oh. And then number 2, we have sentence structures. Sentence structures are like every sentence needs at least a subject and a verb. So that would be a simple sentence would be she sings, and if you add an object to the sentence, that would be she sings a song. And the complete sentence would be subject plus verb plus object, which is pay attention to words in order, English order, and that would be subject to verb to object. But for example, Tom, which is a subject, eats, which is a verb, and pizza, which is an object. So Tom eats pizza. And yeah, number 3 would be tenses. English has 3 main tenses, which is present, past, and future. So present would be I eat, and the past was I ate, and the future will be I will eat. So each tense can be simple, continuous, perfect, or perfect continuous. But for now, you should focus on the simple form. Then number 4, we have common grammar tips. So that would be using capitals and just capital letters at the start of sentence, and for names, especially for names, because I feel like that's the most important part of your story or essay or whatever you're writing. Make sure to use capitals all the time in sentences. And always end a sentence with a punctuation mark, for example period, question marks, or exclamation. And that's gonna give more to your sentence, and it's gonna make more sense. And then it's make verbs agree with the subject, stay on topic, and that would be he runs, not he run, or he, yeah, whatever, not he run. And use articles properly, like a, an, and the. And yeah, that's it. So that's a quick overview of English grammar basics. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more grammar tips and lessons, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next. So yeah, bye bye.